Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our challenge of a new version of Python. So next in our series would be NumPy. So let's just look at it. Helps if you spell import right. So right now it says NumPy does not exist. So here we are. So this is a way to install a file of requirements. So right here we just have a file called install.txt, and it just has a couple of the ones that I know we're going to be using very soon. So let's just go ahead and bring this in. So let's bring up our command. So, and we see it's right here. So pip install R for requirements, and it's install.txt. So here we go. So what it does is it literally goes in, reads the file, and goes, oh, I know what to do with this. And it just starts installing. Now there is a way to pull from your old version of Python, and we'll deal with that next, but there are some challenges, but I want us to hit the ground running and, like as always, get some successes under our belt, and we go from there. But as you can see, it's literally doing everything for us. So let's look at a little bit more of this. So this is good to know and have. So double equal signs is a specific version. Greater than, that's the minimum version to have. Excludes a certain, and compatible. And like we had here is that you can actually have them install, because that can be part of the problem, install in a certain order for dependencies. And I've alluded to that before, that can be an issue. But there are, like I've said before, so there we go. There are tons of little details, but that's what we have here. We have these resources that we have and then we know, and then we build on them. Micro videos. That's my favorite. It's my favorite because I didn't come up with it. You guys did. So okay, let's go back and look what happened. So there we go. So we don't have to sit here and go through and reinstall every single one at a time. We have the knowledge and power and experience to do this. Now, like I said, the caveat, there's even a more advanced way to have Python export the versions, the modules that you have, but that's the challenge, is the versions and dependency. So we'll deal with that next time, but we'll jump on and do a few more of our modules. We'll do NumPy tomorrow and next video, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll dig into these future challenges. But this is how you install multiple versions, install multiple packages at one time. This command right here, and I'll put the link for this in the description below. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Make sure you're checking out this video or this video, and absolutely most important, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the notification bells. We got videos coming out all the time. I want to thank you for joining us. Thanks for being here, and we'll just see you guys next time. Bye.